Hi, my name is Laura Shield. I live in Greenfield, Illinois. I graduated in December of 2017 with a bachelor's in social work. The reason I went back to school is because in 2012 and I had a stroke that almost took my life. I fought back. I went back to school. I graduated, of course, at University of Springfield, and now I'm going into my master's program with Widener. Part of it is I totally agree with the trauma that other people face. I want them to learn from things that happened to their past and fix their future. The other reason that I wanted to do that is because the day I had my stroke, I knew I was going to die, and I believe God brought me back here to do something special. And my special gift is going to be hospice, to help people learn and acknowledge what they have done, fix what they've not done right, and die with dignity and respect in their lives. So I'm excited to be back here, and I can't wait to get moving and get the social work master's done, and I can get a good job and a great future in my life. So thank you. Bye-bye.